Stillbirth. Introduction. The fetus stays in the uterus until delivery. Select true or false. Correct. The uterus is able to grow a lot. Please point to the placenta. Choose one of the following options. Correct. Stillbirth is when an unborn baby dies after being in the mother's womb for less than 20 weeks. Select true or false. Correct. This statement is false. Stillbirth happens after the unborn baby is in the mother's womb for at least 20 weeks. If the unborn baby dies before 20 weeks, it is called a miscarriage. What can cause stillbirth? Choose one of the following. 1. Problems with the baby. 2. Problems with the mother. 3. Problems with the placenta. 4. All of the above. Correct. Stillbirth can also be caused by problems with the umbilical cord, but in many cases no cause is found. Kim is 30 weeks pregnant. She has been doing a kick count. It has been 2 hours and her baby has only moved 5 times. Should she call her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. It is normal for a baby to move 10 times in 2 hours. It may take as little as 15 minutes for a baby to move 10 times. Kim should call her healthcare provider right away. Many couples can decide when they want to have the baby after a stillbirth diagnosis. Select true or false. Correct. Sometimes the baby must be delivered right away. This is often done for health reasons, but many couples can decide when they want to have the baby. They can wait until labor starts on its own, or they can have labor induced. Thank you for using Explain.